na this height, na this bed height sef, na it good to lift this dumbbell sef. See the height wey just good, wey balance to lift this dumbbell from the ground wey e dey so. The thing sweet o. I come dey sit down for one chair wey low, come dey carry dumbbell. E come be like say na the dumbbell sef wan carry me. No be me dey carry dumbbell, na dumbbell dey carry me. One guy come my show, one guy come this show one day. I just see me dey sit down dey talk. Now I say, wetin you dey do now? Wetin you dey do? You never lift dumbbell, you never lift anything. I talk, you just dey talk. If I know dey talk, how people wan come dey watch me for here? You know how many people wey my own talk don even cure sickness for their body? I don cure depression. I don cure depression as I dey so. This my talk wey I dey talk so e dey go far o. Wey I don take and cure many people depression. Some people go even see me for road sef, na my face they wan come look. They wan come stand for my front like this, just dey look my face like this. Na you we dey watch for TikTok. Sometimes I go wan even deny say no be me o. Sometimes I go even want tell some people say maybe na resemblance o. If you resemble, and they go believe. Then they believe say na resemblance. Because the thing wey they see for screen like this, if you see me for physical, now so when they see me now, they just want to sit down, they look my face like this. Because they smile and say, "Boy, now wow, now wow, this your face small." I like my forget that thing. Na gym, na fitness cause that one o. I know the guy wey don chop, wey I don chop baku, drink wetin dem dey call that thing, orishirishi, gbogbo nise. Wey my head go come big like this, like say na hammer head of horror wey me be. Like head wey smooth like this, wey fit the body wey person carry. I mean they tell you, see, look good o. If you no get any reason to look good for nothing. Abeg, if na only your leg just look good for your body, e dey okay. At least you go know say something shall look good for your own body. Look good o. I dey yarn you now. If anything not look good for your body, if na only your gbola, your big man, your machine gun.